What's good, fam? What it do? It's your boy Rebuke. You know what I'm saying? Hollering at you on this lovely Monday. And I got this crazy story courtesy of E-Bomb's World. Woman post gym flex interrupted by sounds of diarrhea. Oh my goodness. Does that sound, excuse my dialect, like a shitty situation? Man, put your gloves on, man, and your hazmat suits, man. And your face mask, your gas mask, man. And let's try to get through this video. Here we go. Filming yourself at the gym is already questionable enough. But doing so in the bathroom to the tune of farts, that's a whole other level. Man, a stinky level. Man, I'm telling you, boy, people today. We've previously discussed a host of questionable gym content, ranging from women who get their pants sucked off by a treadmill to dudes who flex so hard that they pass out and break their nose. Now, a new type of gym goer has entered the arena, the bathroom flexor. In this video posted by Instagrammer user at Tasha Braziliano, she pops off her shirt and gets a good flex in for the camera. However, she's soon interrupted by the unmistakable sound of a juicy tube. Okay, here we go. Let's try to roll that clip, man. Let's roll that clip. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Last time I take posing videos in the bathroom, she writes in the text overlaying the video. Of course, this wouldn't be the last time, as recent reels from her show plenty of clips from the bathroom and changing room. Oh, y'all want to hear it again? We go. Whoever that is sounded like they was trying to blast off into space. Houston, we have a problem. All right. Y'all get ready for takeoff. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, no. My bad, I was talking. Get ready for blast off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness. All right, man. MF on the toilet said. Real talk, right? Oh man. Still, this video serves as a reminder. Don't film in the bathroom. And if you're taking a really bad dump, you can take solace in the fact that there is always a chance the sounds of your intestinal turmoil or ruining some influencer's video. Right? All right, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, man. Don't forget to click on that notification bell. And don't forget to control your body and its sounds, man. With that being said, I say shalom.